Ona gutuika atongoria aya moigite ni maranyita baru uiguano mweru gatagati ka President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga. Moigite uiguano uyu ndwagereirwo ni gukorwo wi wa kiuteti indi wa kunyitithania a Kenya. Akiaria cukuru-ini wa NK Kajiado ya muhuro, Gavana Ole Lenku oigite uiguano uyu wagereirwo ni kurora muno uria thirikari igukinyaniria agenda inya cia gucenjia bururi.
The recent now popularly called the handshake, where our President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila had a meeting. First of all, to say that we support that position and we are pleased as a country to see reconciliation going forward.
Atongoria aya mateterithitie mekunyita thirikari baru gutigirira kioneki giake hari ya Kenya ni giakinyanira.
The people of Kajiado, literally to a man, voted on a Jubilee, to the Jubilee team, and we are very proud members of our party Jubilee. But we completely support the fact that every Kenyan must feel that they belong to this country and that there is harmony amongst our various community.
Uteti wa mwaka wa 2022 ukite ona thutha wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kuria Kenya maikie ndurumeni ciao hari uruti wira wa thirikari na matigane na uteti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.